Hello children. Now second topic is change the degree in your English too. You have earlier in the previous standard learned about adjective and adjective of the quality. Now first today we are going to do a quick revision on adjective of quality. Now adjective of quality that denotes a quality of a noun or a pronoun. Now it can be expressed in the following way. There must be no comparison between two, comparison with many or more than two. Now adjective of quality can be expressed in three forms, that is positive degree for no comparison, comparative degree for comparison between two or two groups, superlative degree for comparison with many. Now let us study one by one. First we are going to talk about positive degree. Now what exactly positive degree is? The positive degree is the base from the adjective of quality and does not express comparison. It is used when no comparison is made between two or more noun or a pronoun. Now what it means? The quality will tell us that the word will denote no comparison. For example, she is a tall girl. Now the person or the she is not compared with any other girl. She is a tall girl. Let's go to the fifth sentence, that is Paris is a beautiful city. Now we are stating that Paris is beautiful city. We are not comparing Paris with any other city. Now see the second sentence, I take tea in a small cup. Now you are saying the cup and the cup is small. Now you are not comparing the cup with any other word. Now the fourth sentence, Chinese is a difficult language to learn. Now difficult shows the word Chinese, that it is difficult. We are not comparing Chinese language with any other language. Now the second is comparative degree. Now here we compare. Now comparative degree of adjective of quality is used to express a characteristics of one thing in the comparison to the another thing. It comparison between two things, not more than two. Always there will be a comparison between two things. For example, see, a cup is smaller than a glass. Now a cup and a glass is compared and it is said that cup is smaller than glass. And second, Chinese is more difficult than English. Here Chinese and English, two languages are compared and we are saying that Chinese language is more difficult than English. Now the third is, he is junior to me. Now he and me, here two comparison is there, and he is junior to me. This is a comparison. Now the third one is superlative degree. Superlative degree is the highest degree of thing in comparison to other thing. A superlative adjective means that an object is surpassing all other things in comparison, in quality or characteristics. For example, Roshan is the most intelligent student in the class. So here Roshan is compared to the whole of the class. Now let us see some sentences. Mukesh Ambani is the richest person in the India. Now richest shows the degree and we are saying that he is the richest person in India. She is the tallest of three sisters. Now she is compared to three sisters and we are telling that she is the tallest from three of them. After then see, the Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Now Mount Everest is compared with the rest of the mountain in the world, and we are saying that Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. In the same way, the Taj Mahal is the most beautiful monument in India. So the Taj Mahal we are comparing with all other monuments in India, and we are saying that it is the most beautiful. You must have learnt about some words. The words which we use in positive and comparative superlative degree. Here are some examples of this. Big, bigger, biggest. Big is positive, bigger is comparative, and biggest is superlative. Again you have large, larger, largest, happy, happier, happiest, short, shorter, shortest. So these are few words. Again we have little more also. See here, heavy, heavier, heaviest, beautiful. See, certain words which we cannot use beautifuler or beautifulest. Such words we use more and most. That is beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Now other words are good, better, best, bad, worst, worst. Here you can good, more good, most good we cannot write. For this words we have good, better, best, bad, worst, worst, little, less, least, many, more, most. For many, manyer, manyest we don't use. We use many, more and most. So these are certain words which will be helpful for you to use them in a comparative, superlative and positive degree. Now one by one positive degree we will study in detail. Now let us see what positive degree is. Now positive degree is divided into two parts, that is degree of equality and degree of inequality. Degree of equality. Positive degree is used to compare two things which are equal in status or same in quality. For example, let us see this, that is equal. We are saying this is equal. Now Joycey is as pretty as her twin Jean. Jean is as intelligent as Joycey. Rohit is as good as her brother. His brother is as good as Rohit. Okay, so this type of sentences show us the degree of equality. Now remember, the adjective in the positive form is used with the conjunction as to express the equality. So whenever there will be an equality, the word as will be shown. Here are some examples. An apple is as delicious as an orange. Silver is as expensive as gold. Anna is as rich as Tina. Here both apple and oranges, the quality is termed to be same. Silver and gold both are expensive. Okay, so this way as and as will be used. Now the next is degree of inequality. Now positive degree is also used to compare two things which are not equal and do not have the same status. Now with the example it will be clear. Degree of inequality, that Tina is not so tall as her friend Reena. Tina is not so beautiful as Reena. So here the word as is not used, the negative word, that is not so, is used. Tina is not so tall as her friend Tina. Tina is not so beautiful as Reena. Now remember, here the adjective positive form is joined with the conjunction not so as. In the equality, what we used to use? We used to use as to express equality. And non-equality, we use not so as. Gold is not so beautiful as iron. Hindi is not so difficult as Sanskrit. The city bus is not so crowded as it was yesterday. So here we complete our positive degree. Now the next one is your comparative degree. See the example. The lion is faster than the tortoise. The tortoise is slower than the lion. Now the lion and the tortoise here are compared. We say that lion is faster than the tortoise. In the second sentence, the tortoise is slower than the lion. Now other examples. The green apple is smaller than the red one. The red apple is riper than the green one. Here also we do. Now comparative degree of comparison. The adjective of comparative is used to show the wide difference between the two things. The word will always show what is the difference between the two objects or the two words which is to noun which has been compared. See the example. Cricket is more popular than hockey. Hotel Taj is bigger than Hotel Meridian in Mumbai. Here Hotel Taj and Hotel Meridian is compared, and we are saying that Hotel Taj is bigger than Hotel Meridian. Now always remember, the adjective of comparison degree will be followed by the word than. This is the kind of comparison when we call it as a comparative degree. Now we have other two examples. See, river Nile in Africa is longer than river Ganga in India. Now river Nile and Ganga is compared, and we are telling that it is longer than Ganga. Now the peak of Himalayas are higher than any other mountain peaks in India. Here the peaks of Himalayas and the mountain peaks of India are compared, and it is said that the peaks of Himalayas are higher than any other mountain peaks in India. Is superlative degree of comparison. So superlative degree of comparison, this superlative adjective is used to show that the person or a thing has the best or the worst of the quality. Here the adjective in superlative degree is preceded by the. Thus such sentences are said to be superlative degrees. Now this has a few examples of superlative degree. John is the tallest boy in the class. Mr. Rao is the most honest employee in his office. Now John is compared with the rest of the class, and he is termed as the tallest boy in the class. So you can see the word tallest and the word the. That is, the John is the tallest boy in the class. In the same way, Mr. Rao is the most honest. He is honest, that is the most from all the employee of the office, and the word the specifies that Mr. Rao is the most honest. Two more example. Today is the warmest day of this month. The day is compared with all other days, and it is said to be the warmest. Now the second one, the hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Now here the word bird is compared to all other word with the word the smallest. See this sentence, Rupa is more generous than her family members. Now here Rupa and family members are compared, and we say that she is the more generous. Now second sentence, Rupa is the most generous girl in her family. Now we term that Rupa is the generous in her family. In the same way, the planet Jupiter is the bigger than the Earth. So we are comparing Jupiter with the other planet, and we are saying that it is bigger. And in the last one, see, Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. We term it that Jupiter is the biggest one. Here we complete all our 3 degrees, and now we will go in detail.